Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be giving you an overview of a tool in Cinema 4D called the Place tool. This one. So, I'll be showing you the importance of Place tool. But now, I will be making a model of a spiky ball. I created a ball using sphere, just like this. And then I make a cone with a small radius, and I adjust the height so that it doesn't look so spiky, just like this. Alright, I'm going to explain to you the importance of Place tool. I said that I wanted to make a spiky ball. So if I drag the cone on the sphere, the base of the cone won't stick onto the surface of the ball. Just like this. If you click on Place, which is the Place tool that I indicated earlier, and you drag the cone, the base of the cone will stick onto the surface of this sphere or the ball. Isn't it cool? Now, like I said, I wanted to make a spiky ball. I want to make the cone duplicated. Click on clone mode on the right side panel, just like this, and then hold the control key on your keyboard and then duplicate it by dragging the cone, just like this. Oh, isn't it easy? Ooh, it's looking like a virus. I'm not talking about a computer virus. I'm talking about this 3D model of a virus that looks like a virus, just like what I'm doing here. The cone is now duplicated into several cones, just like this. The bases of the cones are touching the surface of the sphere or the ball, just like this. Ooh, fancy, isn't it? You can place it wherever you like though, but it's going to take a long time for me to finish covering the surface of the ball with the cones or the spikes. But hey, I've covered some surface of the ball, so that's it. That's how you use Place tool to create an object like this. A virus looking object, not the computer virus. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But from me, it's good day. Ciao!